Well, the assembly polls in both Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir are over. The focus has now shifted to the big question, who has the edge? While the exact results will be known only on October 8th when the results come out, the exit polls have predicted a clean sweep for the Congress party in Haryana. The poll of polls shows that the party that is likely to win around 56 seats is the India Bloc Alliance. So if this holds true, then there will be no hat-trick for the BJP in this.
As a hair raiser or this victory that came in the way, and a historic one for the BJP, as it has bettered not just its seat share but also when it comes to the vote share as well, when it comes to the BJP's performance and the factors that really worked for the party to secure this historic mandate. Haryana, the 90 out of 90 seat share as far as the BJP securing 48, way across when it comes to the majority mark. Congress coming up with 37. However, this time, as his previous ally is concerned with the BJP, the factors that did not work for the JJP at all, the Aam Aadmi Party not even opening its account.
State of Maharashtra first, as we have in fact seen BJP scoring their biggest ever victory win in a way in the state, but it's the NDA camp which is of course celebrating over there. All the three parties over there of Shiv Sena as well as the NCP doing remarkably well in order to get this stunning victory by the NDA. At the moment, there's of course, we are looking at a landslide victory of the NDA in Maharashtra.
मैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी को कहना चाहता हूं, मोदी जी इस जन्म में तो आप हमको नहीं हरा सकते दिल्ली के अंदर आम आदमी पार्टी। आपको दूसरा जन्म लेना पड़ेगा।
यमुना पे वोट नहीं मिले।
Delhi has decided and it has given the mandate to the BJP.
Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party convener, Delhi Chief Minister for 9 years, has lost these elections.
यमुना मैया की